Flowers, nature's most delicate and beautiful creations. They bring colour to our world, support countless species, and provide the foundation of many ecosystems. But they are disappearing, and with them, life itself is at risk.
Every day, floral biodiversity is shrinking. Habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution are wiping out floral species at an alarming rate.
Some of these plants have existed for thousands of years, yet in just a few decades they are vanishing. Flowers aren't just for decoration, they are essential to our ecosystem. They feed pollinators like bees and butterflies, which in turn pollinate the food we eat. They maintain soil health, provide medicinal properties, and regulate climate conditions. Losing them disrupts entire food chains and threatens global agriculture. But hope is not lost. By planting native flowers, reducing chemical use, and supporting local conservation programs, we can help restore floral biodiversity. Even small actions, like growing wildflowers on balconies or avoiding harmful pesticides, make a difference. Community gardens and rewilding urban spaces can bring flowers back to areas where they've disappeared.
When we protect flowers, we protect the ecosystem. They are the foundation of our entire world.
By restoring them, we ensure the survival of pollinators, birds, and even the crops we depend on. The beauty of flowers goes beyond their petals. They are a lifeline for our planet. Their survival depends on us. Will you take action to protect them?
Act now. Save our flowers.
Spring has come. We can see how nature comes to life. New leaves and flowers bloom, and the earth itself seems to awaken from its long, quiet slumber. Even in urban environments, where the presence of concrete and steel often dominates, we can still observe how an entire world of plants and animals experiences the cycles of their lives. Stepping away from the paved sidewalks, we can notice how the buds of trees bloom, how the ground is carpeted with fresh grasses, and how the air is filled with the scent of flowers. For example,
ivy is an evergreen plant which chooses to grow in the shade of trees in a humid environment. Island is a perfect place for it. Ivy attaches itself to the tree trunks, climbing upwards in a search of light. While this may seem like a peaceful form of growth, sometimes it can be not always beneficial for the trees. Over time, ivy can weaken the tree by blocking out sunlight. It can cause the damage, and the tree can even collapse. Despite this, ivy is an important part of the ecosystem.
though ivy can be harmful to trees, it also provides shelter and food for various creatures, especially birds. Ivy's contribution to biodiversity extends further, as it creates a habitat for various species of fungi and mosses, which grow on its bark and in its shade. Moreover, even though ivy can pose challenges to trees, we must not forget that rotten wood becomes a valuable resource for the life of many species. Humans, too, have learned to benefit from ivy. The extract of its leaves has been used in medicine. In a world where biodiversity is increasingly under threat, nature teaches us how to coexist, adopt, and find solutions in harmony with the environment.
Hyacinth is a small bulb flower that is native to Mediterranean and tropical regions. They can grow indoors and outdoors and are common garden flowers. They grow from bulbs and have a very intense scent. They are very popular ornaments in springtime and can come in a variety of colours, including pink, white, blue, and purple.
The seagull was walking around the college roof in search of some food. There's an insect hotel which is home to a variety of species.
Dog violets are small dark purple flowers that have 5 beautiful petals with a white centre. It is native to Europe, Asia and Africa, and its habitat consists of woodlands, grasslands and hedges. They can be found during spring and early summertime. Dandelions are weeds that are native to Europe and Asia. However, it can also be found in North America. It has leaves at the base of the plant and a smooth stem. Its yellow head then turns into a round ball of silver fluffy seeds. These seeds disperse into the wind so more plants can grow. They grow in grasslands of all types, and its leaves and stems can be used for various medicinal purposes.
The ant lives in the grass and hides underneath leaves from the predators.
Ribwort plantain is a herb plant and weed. It has long, narrow leaves and flower spikes with white fur covering it. It can be used for medicinal use such as a cough remedy or to heal a wound. This plant can survive in various environments such as meadows and fields. Ivy is a green climber plant that can grow up to 30 metres in height. It has stems with white hairs that help it stick to surfaces while it climbs up walls or trees. It is native to Europe, Asia and North Africa. Primroses are small colourful flowers and can be mainly found in the northern hemisphere. It has green leaves that are wrinkled on the edges and the flowers can be yellow, pink, purple, red, etc. They have a yellow centre and can sometimes have 2 colours on their petals.
Daisies can be found in the grass all around the college grounds.
Daisies are edible and have lots of medicinal benefits. They can help slow bleeding, relieve any indigestion, and can help ease cough symptoms. They bloom in the early summer and can thrive in wet and dry climates, which is why they can be found all over the world.